njem ọ na-ekene m n'ụbọchị nke taata. Ya gaziere gị ebe ọ bụla isi wee na-eme mmanya. Biko this video bụ for Skibo and Ken Palace of Justice, most especially for Skibo. Enwere video na-esecurity na social media gbasara yes Ken Palace of Justice gwara gị, that is accusation. At the end of the day, I end up hearing that now all arrangements between you and him or something like that. Now, my point is this, Skibo. This is one of the people I respect so much on this platform. This is one of the people that I respect so much. But it will be very disappointed that now, nobody that knows who need join go down. Maybe ya ha na-eme abịa n'azụ with one or two things in order to what is it called? In order for people to view their video, I just arrange one or two things we may paste online to attract viewers. It's very, very bad. That's not only so. It's very bad. You have to join these people we may have name. You have to join her. No, this arrange her na them. Ogaba meche he book there na iwa because Skibo, my brother. Well, content you get created today that you will not have more than 2,000 viewers na your page because you grow your page. You grow your page in a way that now people must view it. So go in at your back. He may be a age malogi. We surrender and this thing. Just lap here, like let this one be the first and last. It's not as if that's not name, but it's a kind of advice. Because so from mobile and before you and them arrange something at the end of the day, maybe the video post say online. Then after like 2 days, you start hearing that no arrangement between the person and the partner on the human. Yeah, the very bad. Open man now. When he's serious, always what I get shima that now okay, no yeah because serious with this or maybe okay, no yeah the serious that may arrest that kind of thing. Because all you open Ghana affairs no normal thing on them. Open that new medicine, you people have to stop it. Creating content open now my your camera that now una draw this serious about like especially in Dubai as na do this serious at all. Here this is a serious name. I had a mazin kebe zoku and kebasi. Yeah, the very wrong. Oh, the very wrong. Skibo biko. The last time we made video, basalu Basalu J Park or something like that. In on your video, we clarify to people that you are not part of them. Nonsense and them on a group chat, they are not part of them. So open that Nanka Bezoku, why now did you turn back again to join them at this kind of thing, honey? All the very bad. Open not Ken Palace of Justice, be with the idea, or maybe not go with the idea. Please don't buy this thing again. It's very bad. It's very bad because tomorrow Mbo get said to kita might be accused of something. Or maybe be a mere one or two things. We will not know that Naya is very serious. We will not know that Nia Kitano about the year go have energy ninja as the year when I but online. There was everything obna as no year Biko Naya Obu Biko. He about the first and last thing join with these people when they hanene. Because he as in the world had to ready serious at all. Maybe at the end of the day they are joining the very bad. Your viewers will not even be happy. Me especially because I like him and sometimes I like you watch video game. And the only open automata that na is solo and all these things. It were your own innate. Ndị mmadụ ejigoli amali gị ịnachitekwa back again bịa join ha nna ị na-emebizi ahụ na ọ bụ n'eziokwu that ya bụ arrangement between Gwa na Ken Palace of Justice. Then coming to you Ken, as na ihe mme mmadụ o jiri amụrụ ihe emego gị I don't think that na ịmụtaghị ihe na that thing mee gị, because your last video you na say nothing will ever make you do this kind of thing again. My brother, ọ bụ na ihe a bụ eziokwu na arrangement between you and Skibo, that means the arrest mee gị na Senegal ebe ị nọ okuzubere gị anything, mụtabe anything. You are still the same. It's just that need just to zuo ike for the meantime. Cheji aka. The last one I mega arrest na Nigeria, or even up to today, ama m eziokwu masị because who na-emezi ya ọ dịzie ka gasị n'oyi egwuregwu. Ken Palace of Justice, cheji aka, chọọ ihe ọzọ mere, hafụ ihe anọ, hafụ ụzọ anyị na-eso. A sị na agbụsigbo otele ọmụla akọ. Imagine ka ihe mee gị 2-3 times before ị mara ihe. Ịlụka mmadụ that n'ishi na that first one na-mee gị wee mụrụ ihe. Ọkwanụ nke ọla mmanụ.
Yeah, good evening everyone. There's this video I saw today. People sent that video to me where Palace of Justice said that he has been calling me for some time now. True, he called me and I said to him, bro, I am busy. Whenever I'm less busy, whatever content you have, we can shoot it since we are in the same city. He said, okay. I think he called me like 3 or 4 times. I told him, bro, I am busy. Which I even have the proof here. Like I was sad today for somebody to send me a video of Palace of Justice saying that na msia weto otele na ejuru inye m ike no ihe mere m ji achọ m inyere gị aka. Like of all things hụrụ ị ga-eji agba m okwu ya wụrụ isi m na mgbu homo. Palace of Justice Ken Chinwendu ka m kpọọ gị your real name Chinwendu. Of all things ị ga-eji agba m okwu ọgọdị na iche chess cloud. Of all things hụrụ iji chess cloud ya wụrụ ime m accuse m na mgbu homo. My happiness is that na na-aba ị na-eme ndị ọzọ na-ala free, but you see this one ịla free make I die. Of all things hụrụ ị ga-eji agba m okwu ya wuru gị nwee pụta na social media si na mụnwa wu Skibo wu homo. Ọ wụrụ na ị na-eme ndị ọzọ na-ala free, nkwa m na-ekwe gị mark today's date taa wu December 28, 2024. Ọ wụrụ na ị na-eme ndị ọzọ na-ala free, ị hụrụ this particular one ịla free make I die. Palace of Justice emepe ọnụ o ji eri ji na ede gị si na mgbu homo nwanne. Ọ wụrụ na ị na-eme ndị ọzọ na-ala free, mmapụkwa gị ma nwụọ. Respond ya gị lecha ihe ị ga-eji agwa m okwu ya wụrụ ịta n'isi aha m si na m si gị weta otele. If you did not bring that evidence, ihe m ga-eme gị. Oga, any dream reply onya. Any dream reply ya. Legally, buru this boy. It's also the evidence. You get proof ga ahụ. Thank God na ị na-aba. Ọ gwụla my happiness. Ihe m ga-eme gị. Ihe ị na-eme ndị ọzọ na ị na-drag people na ala free. But mwa wu Skibo.
Making carry proof.
Ị ga-eji proof ga ahụ bịa police station echi. Tomorrow I dey go write my petition. Ọwụ na ị na-ala free na ndị ọzọ hụrụ this.
Kana kpọọ Skibo gịnị? Iwe onye ọkpọ ntụ ka ewo. Yes, na me talk ihe ha ga-emechi eme today. All location you have given me 3 good time location and you are failing. The other day I told you, guy, help me with my career. Let me start something content. Let me start, put me through what's going on. You post some today, you post me tomorrow. You have given me 3 good time location. Now back location give them like I'm chinapata. See, you know, sure, gets me the busy. Busy getting it. When you want to make because of nature, they turn say that you cannot come with me. Yes. Put me anywhere, present me anywhere. I will defend it. Yes, I said I have come to Saga. I'm not sagging you. What I'm telling you is the fact. It's the fact that after him passing a prison Senegal, 8 good months and 20 days. Saga again. But what I'm saying now is this pompousness again or prosperity is too much. Your prosperity is too. What are you claiming? Gain a form. Well, guy, come put me through. You used to be my guy. I hear me any matter about food. You hear me? You know people that is with you against you. I know I'm back even do everything help me. Man, lot of is there about the same day, the same about with you, guy. No, be say me and you know the same about. We did the same about. Guy, you don't give me try good time. Don't you know how Nigeria is? Hit and a man up Cheben try to on the Cagonia won't do. Bacanigata, you cannot chop can. You won't want to come with the same about. Do your intimate email on a bro. You sure that I'm not afraid? I have proof of everything I said. You wanted to tell them, I told you that my utu and my ownership is meant for women or for women. I know that's how it's now. I'm guys in my prison, but after 28 months and 20 days. Borging a phone guy. Nanum naba. Yes, I made it busy today. Here almost 2 weeks or 3 months. No, but it's the busy. I didn't busy, eat the busy. In your location, what are you feeling like? Now, what on the share that I didn't give you is what is making you angry, guy. You tell me you're not by posting me around. Do I look like a child to you? Someone now call 8 months to come back. And for people that is going to see this as a saga or a violence, this is true. You people should caution that guy. See, I have to punish him money. Yes, let him leave ho alone. Because I know that what is vexing him now, why he's doing all these things now is because of that I didn't give him ownership. Guy, do your work with them, but it's not Imatala, Rayoko. Look at my body, location in your Sapota. Nagane, Obitalo Numio, Mungo pretend Igbo wofu, Igbo wofu, Igbo wofu, Igbo wofu, Igbo wofu. Man, Kembe. Put location can prove, you can go work is it, it's Coco.